Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing my ignition coil in my 1999 Toyota 4Runner. Alright, let's go ahead and start by disconnecting the battery by disconnecting the negative terminal. Go ahead and wiggle this off and make sure to stick it behind the battery, that way it doesn't accidentally make contact with the negative terminal. Alright, now that we got that done, we're going to go ahead and disconnect the mass airflow sensor. It's just through a little push tab. And normally there's a retainer clip right here, but mine is unfortunately broken. There's one here as well, and right there. The next part is to disconnect the air hoses. And this hose on the snorkel looks a little different for different years of this third generation 4Runner, but all is about the same. And then you're going to go ahead and loosen up the two worm clamps. Once you do that, you can go ahead and take the snorkel off. Once you disconnect both ends of the snorkel, you can go ahead and pull it right out. Now that we have access to our ignition coil, we're going to first take off the ignition wire. Go ahead and use a tool like this one, or a pick if you have it, and disconnect the tab that has the cover for the spark plug wire. Now we're going to go ahead and disconnect this little tab, just push it on both sides, easy to take off. And then next we're going to go ahead and take off our bolts. You're going to want to use a 10mm for this one. And go ahead, move that out of the way, and you can twist and pull up. Now I always recommend to use OEM. For this, it's going to be the Denso. And make sure that you have your dielectric grease. Alright, you're going to go ahead and put a little bit of the dielectric grease inside the boot. Go ahead and show you what it looks like. Now you can go ahead and reinsert your ignition coil. And reconnect our bolt. Now we're going to go ahead and torque this down to 69 inch-pounds. And now for the rest of this is just reconnecting everything and putting everything back together. These two should go ahead and give you a nice little click. Make sure the worm clamps are in the correct spot and go ahead and tighten them. Now for the final part, go ahead and connect the negative terminal and tighten it down. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If this video is able to help you out, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them quickly. And as always, I'll go ahead and leave my list of tools used for this job down in the description.